Hi guys, Josh here. This video, no sarcasm, no garbage. This is actually I think it's a bug. I use the normal UI. I don't have any custom UI. I know a lot of players do like to use custom UIs. I tried to download one and I did drag it over to my UI files, but I could never get it to work. I'm not a tech savvy person. And I've only noticed this so far in housing, and particularly Oceanus. I haven't noticed the issue present in the New Frontiers, and it's with the map, particularly the zone it's showing you're in when you first port into the ruins of Atlantis. Like right now it's showing me in Mesothalassa, but I'm not actually there. I'm in Hesperos. I'm actually west of Meso. This threw me off when I was running a couple quests in this area. If you look at my inventory, you can see I'm running quests. I'm getting ready to get my Guard of Valor. It is a quick fix. All you have to do is uncheck the follow location and then recheck the follow location, and the map will correct itself. I just wanted to do this quick video if you're running quests or if you're in housing looking for an item and walking to a player's house and the map throws you off. This is something that I have submitted a bug report on. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment, and take care.